Nice catch! And such strong arms.
Huh? Thanks!
Sorry to spoil your moment, but we need to get out of here right now. This world is pixelating around us.
I can't believe this is happening!
Actually, it's quite believable. But it requires a fundamental understanding of hexadecimal language, which is easier to comprehend than binary code, but a whole lot harder than English.
Oh, sure. Now you figure out how to flirt?
The technical difficulties you're experiencing are about to end permanently. The game will crash, depixelating into a blank void of nothing, taking you with it in 30 seconds.
Come on, guys! Pull it together!
We need an exit strategy, like right now!
Come on, Brainiacs, we can do this! We've been playing games as dangerous as this our whole lives. Let's show everyone what we're really made of. I know a way out. 67, 6F, 20, 74, 68, 61. You guys speak Hexy language, right?
Oh, I do. But can you translate for my friends while we run for our lives? Guys! Hey, that might be our portal out of this game. And that frozen water slide might just be our ticket to reach it. That almost hit me! Better put on ear protection, like these signal jamming earbuds. Of course! Jerry is a genius.
Oh, is Jerry your boyfriend?
Huh?
What are you laughing at? You have 4 seconds until you're permanently deleted.
Yeah?
Huh?
Did you take out the trash like I asked you to?
Not now, Mother. I'm in the middle of something very important.
Come on, guys. Time to plow the snow and get to that portal.
Huh? You destroyed my game and my life's work! And you ruined my mom's monitor in her garage! Oh, I'm gonna be so grounded. But it'll be worth it to see you destroyed!
They're gonna destroy us? I have 2 words to say to that. Puh and leave. Ew! You ruined my outfit? Oh, now it's personal.
Button down!
Hands off!
Why? Because I'm a girl and you're worried I have cooties? Because I so don't.
Huh? Mommy, mommy, mommy!
Sorry, Skip, but your game has a bug in it. And you know what you do with the bug? You squash it!
No!
Everything
Huh?
okay in there?
Yeah. Just hanging out with some new friends, Mom.
Yeah, and you'll be hanging out with some newer friends at Woo.
Listen, Sam, I was wondering if maybe you'd want to, go out sometime. With me. I know this cute little vintage arcade that has these old school video games and...
Sounds fun.
It does? I mean... Thank you.